Hello everyone, welcome to Wan AI Labs. So in this video we start our Wan series, just call it Wan series. So in this particular video we talk about Wan Animate. So that is the most interesting model which completely changed AI filmmaking. Okay, so let's see the AI research paper around that Wan Animate. So Wan Animate unified character animation and replacement with the holistic replication. So it take a image, takes one image and one reference video. So like this one. So this is the image and this is the reference video.
Whoa! Yeah!
So this is the major part. So we use Wan video via 3 places. So let me show you some of the places. So these are some example. I will put this link. You can read this. How this complete thing works. This is the architecture they are using. And these are some example over there. You can check out this. It is also for the dynamic motion and cameras and the vertical videos also, but there is color lighting and all the things. You can check it out this. Let me show you where you can use this. So if you search for the Wan video, so this is the first place you can use it. So if you search on the video, you need to click on avatar, click on photo animate. Now you need to do the two things: upload your character image, upload your action video, and if you don't have credits also, generate with credits off and click on that. It will generate the video like this. Link in the bio for next 20 days. Link in the so something like that. For next 20 days. So it will generate the video like this. Let's go to the next thing on the Wan 2.2 animate spaces. So there is the Hugging Face space which help you to create an animation using this. It will take some time. While it is loading, let me show you. So we have these two things. And we need to close this one. Okay, let's close this one. And let's run the ComfyUI again. We are into custom node folder, Python main.py. Okay, it takes some time. It is generating. It takes time because it is completely free. That's the major part. And let's talk about this also. Yeah. Wan 2.2 animate and Quen image edit. This is the blog by ComfyUI.org. So you can read this. You can download the workflow from here also. Here is the Purv, and this is the. You can change the replacement of the with this single image in the video. So it takes some time. Okay, it is running on this one. Let me show you that. We'll do that later. Yeah. Basically it already running, so that's the major part. So if you want a workflow to download, you can download from Wan directly from here, but you don't need to. Here you will see all the things. So we will see everything from the starting only. Okay, so this is the modelings. So this is the video size. If you want to generate a different size of image, this is the video. This is the width. Let's take it 480p and let's take this 768. This is the reel size. Let's take this one. Now we required a model, and this one we required. Let's take this model. Let's copy this one. And I already make this repo which give me the curl command. So let me make a curl command for this and other models also.. LoRa's also there only. Just copy this one, paste it over there and hit run. Vision is also there. Go. So it just takes some time. It's done. When VA we require. You need to copy this one, then so UMT XX, it is already there, so we can download from here. Click on Model Manager, UMT, yeah, this one. We can download FP8. It takes some time. So while it is opening, yeah, there is an issue with that this Hugging Face repo. I will provide the link. You can test it out with this. It's like similar to that only, that Wan.video. So this is the holistic research paper. They are providing all the details about it. If you want to check out the GitHub, you can check the GitHub also, Wan 2.2, and all the things over there, when it release and all the things. Okay. It takes some time, but it will do. Clip Vision H we required, so we will download this one also. So you need to follow these steps, that is the major part. And if you don't find the workflow, you can find it on the template also. If you click on the template, you will see this is the video. We go on the video and you need to select Wan Animate character and replacement. That's it. This is the same workflow which I am using right now. Let me download some of the Wan. Clip it as it is downloaded. Wan 2.1 VAE. Okay. So it is done. Let me copy this one and we will go to here. We see the empty terminal. Yeah, we go to CD models, folder, CD VAE, and we create a folder mkdir Wan CD Wan. Once we got into the CD Wan, then we paste this one. Okay, let's paste this one. Okay, it fails because of something else. Okay, there is some issue, I think so. ComfyUI model is there. Hugging Face token is there properly. Okay, yeah, it is downloaded now. So if we see in the ComfyUI model folder, so okay, so it is VAE, so it is there. Yeah, Wan VAE. Yeah. So it is there only. Then we need to go to outside of this and we need to go to Wan diffusion models. Okay, so let's copy the above one. Clip patches I downloaded. Wan Animate LoRa. Okay, let's download these things also. So let's go to LoRa folder, CD LoRa's. Okay, it takes some time, it will download that thing. Let me refresh this one also. Let's copy. So you can also need to download all the models for this particular purpose. This is important. You need to download the models. It starts downloading and it's done. So LoRa is done. Let's download the diffusion model. Yeah. If you check over there also in the workflow. It is showing model, diffusion model you need to place, LoRa's you need to place, text encoders, it automatically is there, clip vision and all, it is automatically there. Let's download this last one, the Wan FP8, yeah, this one. Let's copy. So we are into this. Let me remove this particular part. So it takes some time, it is 17 GB model. So if your internet speed is good, so it takes approximately 1 minute and all to download the model. So once all the things are set, then we will move forward. Till then, let me also fix all the things are now set. We all go, we're good to go, downloaded all the models. And now we need to change the width, 768. Let me do, and we require the height of 480. That is fine for right now. So the upload reference image, we use my personal image only. So let me download that. Okay, let me download that also, because it takes some time. Let me. Yeah, if I click download, so let's use this one only, and video for the reference for that girl. So this is the video. Recently, Wan 2.2 Animate released, and we want to transfer this motion in my photo. Okay, so let's change the models. Okay, let me refresh once. Refresh nodes. Yeah, it's there. Lightning AI is there. Wan Animate is there. Unit is there. Clip Patch is there. VAE is there. The character is talking. Okay. It's done, and it's done. Yeah. And we will see that different thing. Okay. Let's run this. It takes some time because a lot of things is going on. So now this is the thing. It takes the image. Let's understand this workflow first. So here we give the video size, how much size video we want to generate. So this is the proper size of the YouTube videos in that particular ratio. Then the first step is to upload the model. We need a load diffusion, so we upload the load diffusion. Then we connect the LoRa's for that, and then model sampling. And we use clips, UMT5, load clip vision, and load VI. Then it passed to the prompt. We required these two things. And then we pass this whole thing into this upload reference and all part. Okay. This is for the pose estimator. It catches the pose here. And this is for the character mask and the background video processing. So background video processing, sometimes you want a similar background like this video, sometimes you don't want. You want this particular background only. So this is for that. So if you want, you can take it, otherwise you can skip this part. Okay, so this is the basic workflow and we are using the template only. So let's continue with this. In the next video of this Wan Animate part 2, I will show you how you can modify this workflow according to your customizations. Okay, so it is inside this, and video sampling and all stuff is there. Yeah, video sampling and all the things are there. It is the subgraph only, I think so. Okay. So this is the process. Wan Animate, all the things are passing here only in this flow. Trim video, latent and all. Okay, so let me click over there. So you can click over there if there is a subgraph inside that one. So let's continue flow is look be like this. This is the continue flow. We pass Wan Animate prompt video VAE, clip region reference, face video, pose video, background change, and all the things. Continue motion if you want. Then we pass it to K sampler and then video trimmed, and then we will pass into these nodes which we have. It required some time, so we need to wait for it. So there are some examples I already tried out. So I will also show these examples. Let me show you.
Not because he wants to, but because he can't afford to live in the city, even though he is.
Amazing it is.
He's never had an original idea in his life. His only successful films were adaptations. What do they call him? Generational defining filmmaker.
So now you tell me how you can use this particular model in your future. So you can comment us your use cases for this video. Okay. So it starts now. It takes 5 minutes. Let's wait for it. It takes some time. So let's understand. Until then, let's see why it is not working. If you don't understand anything, just take a screenshot and put it to ChatGPT. That's it. You can get all the details in that only. Now it uploads the model. Now video sampling and subgraph process is going on. And this is for the video extension only. So most of the time it takes here. Let me check. It is running, but it is not showing right now. It will show the green box, but maybe due to subgraphs it will not show. It is not showing, so we will wait for it. Until then, we will check this one. Collection spaces, yeah, this one only. Due to the high demand, it is always full. Yeah, it is running. So it takes a lot of time. Yeah. So if you have local GPU, you can download the model like this, and all the things you can do like this. We will check out this later. But what is the difference between this? For example, Wan 2.2. Before that, there are a lot of video models. They are not providing quality we are looking for. Then the Wan is coming. Wan is the open source. They are providing the open source video generation tool. So that is the major part, and it is built on the effective mixture of expert architecture, where it is not using complete model at a single time. It will use the sum of the parts of it to generate the video. Compared to the Wan 2.1 and Wan 2.2, is trained on significantly larger data with the 65.6% more images and 83.2 more videos. So it is a huge number they are training on. And effectively, definitely there is Wan 2.2 open source 5 billion model to use. You can use this one also, 5 billion model. It is much faster. Where it is right now, it is in the K sampler. It takes some time. So yeah, let's read the documentation for that. It makes the 720p 24 fps for 4090 GPU. So these are some examples. So all the things you will get in this video, they are providing demo and all. Community work, there are some community work also. Kija is one of the great custom node maker. If you search on this one, he is also providing the plugin, the ComfyUI Wan video wrapper. So it also provides the workflows for that particular thing. Let me check for Animate. Wan video, if we search for that, this guy writes all the code base for that, for caching methods and all, control net and all. Yeah, it is good, but we need to check this one. Why? Yeah, it is running now. This is for the masking only, background, for character mask and the background only. So let's wait for it. While it is generating, let's show you our courses. If you go on the Quanta AI Labs, so this is our Quanta AI Lab where we build the products which is from the generative AI solutions. So we build product in this. You can consult if you have any idea you want to make a product around it. And we will also provide the education in Quanta School. So right now it has two courses. One is the Quanta Text and one is the Quanta Vision. From pixel to possibilities and prompt to production. Both the courses are for the 3 months. If you want to continue with both, you can take both also. Okay. So it is a hybrid live and recorded, both the courses. So if you have any queries regarding that, you can ask me via mail or my number. It is given on the website. So let's back to our work, which is from the Wan. It is decoding. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's generated, but okay, it's changed the background, I think. Recently, Wan 2.2 Animate release हुआ जो कि अलीबाबा ने character replace, I think so. I didn't select that part. New canvas. Okay. Background image. But background image is this one only. There is subgraph also. So it is also running. But yeah, it will change that particular thing. So it is not running. Yeah. So it will change that particular thing. It will change my face onto this. I will check this workflow and I will upload on the Patreon. So there is no issue. The updated workflow. So this is working fine. This is the upload the reference image only for the background. So it takes the background from this only. Because of that, yeah, keep the model loaded. All these things are there. Okay, it is already downloaded and done. Because of this masking, it only generate the video with this background. It is not generating the video with that face. So if you want to change the background, you can use that one. But let's focus on our major character swap. That is the most important thing for us. So what we need to change for changing the character, we need to mention in the point editor to mask out this one. For example, green dot represent the area we need to mask out and red dot means which you want to avoid. Okay, so how you did the green dot means shift right left click green dot, shift left right click red dot. So it will come like this and we will see the preview also and we will run it again. It is generating for now. Yeah. So let me show you this video. Recently, Wan 2.2 Animate release हुआ जो कि अलीबाबा ने. So this is doing that part. It will replace the person. Okay. We are masking out this particular person and replace it. Okay. And in this there is a subgraph. There is a subgraph inside that. The inside process. So they change it completely. So this is the little bit scaled one, the extended one. Recently, Wan 2.2 Animate release हुआ जो कि अलीबाबा ने निकाला. So ये extend करता है. If we don't want, we can remove this part particularly. Okay, ये और extend करने के लिए. So this will extend more. Let's run it again, and I will cover all the points. Let's do this also. This. Yeah, and let's run it again. Now we will see the preview also. So this is the preview it did for the mark for the image. This is the preview point we marked. Now it start again. Yeah, so it required some time to generate the video. Yeah, but the mostly part it is in this one only. The point editor is mask out the character if you want to do like this. Yeah, so this is done. So this is the new video, but it is also coming. So we can do manual masking for that. Maybe in the coming videos, I will more fine tune on that, how you can get a same character out of it. Same thing if you do on the, for example, this video with the boy, then it is much better replacing the character. So that's all in this video. Hope you like this video. If you have any question regarding this basic workflow of Wan Animate, you can ask in the comment. I will reply that. If you have some questions regarding how we enroll in our Quanta Vision course, which I shared with you, the link in the description, you can ask me. This is the complete ComfyUI to how image generation evolved from the timeline, from the 2020 to 2025 right now, where we have Sora 2, VO3 and all. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.